Hey guys, so we are finishing up our literacy packet March 30th to April 3rd, starting on page 15. We're going to be writing our opinion. So we've talked about the difference between fact and opinion before, but let's do a refresher. So a fact is something that can be proven true or false. So the sky is blue. The football team in Seattle's mascot is named the Seahawks, the NFL football team. Those are all facts. Stars are in the sky. The sun is a star. All those things can be proven true or false. They're facts. Opinions are how we feel about things, and how we feel about things is not how everyone else feels about things. So if I say cookie dough ice cream is the best ice cream in the entire world, you can disagree with me. We can't prove that true or false because it depends on you. It's an opinion. It's how I feel. You may feel completely different. You may think cookie dough ice cream is disgusting and the best ice cream in the entire world is chocolate chip mint or strawberry or bubble gum or sherbet. Okay, so those are opinions. Opinions are just how you feel about something, and other people may disagree, and that's okay. It's okay to disagree with opinions. You don't want to fight about it. That's silly. But it's okay to have different opinions. It's totally normal and natural, and everyone has their own opinions on things. Okay? So today they're asking you for your opinion. The question is, do you think it was okay for Hare to trick Bear? Why or why not? So like I said, you're not all going to feel the same way about this, and that's okay. Some of you may think that it was totally okay for Hare to trick Bear because his family was hungry and they needed food and they were struggling, and so they went and did all the work, right? So they should get the benefits of that. So it was totally okay for Hare to trick Bear. Some of you may think it was not okay at all, that it's not okay to trick people, and it's not okay for Hare to have tricked Bear like that. He said that he was going to share, and he should have done what he said and really meant it. Okay, so completely up to you. Do you think it was okay for Hare to trick Bear? So you're either going to write, I think it was okay because, or I don't think it was okay because. All right, so you either think it was okay or you think it was not okay. Completely up to you, and then you need to tell me why. All right, so that is your opinion piece. It'll also be our writing for today. If you don't have enough room on this, go ahead and, I was gonna say flip to the back, but it's got something on it. So write it on another piece of paper, but you should have enough room. Okay, let's go ahead and flip to page 16. Dealing with our vocabulary word, clever. Now, we talked about clever earlier this week when we were talking about character traits, and we thought that, well, I thought that Hare was clever. So, clever means to be smart and able to figure things out. Sometimes clever can also mean doing things in a tricky way, sneaky way, clever. So, write about a time when you were clever, when you were smart and you figured something out. And tell me about a time that you were clever. Maybe you have a sibling and you figured out a way to trick your sibling about something or to get something from your parents that you really, really wanted. Maybe you were clever and did a bunch of chores. You wanted this, so let's say you wanted this toy really, really bad. You kept asking for it, and your parents kept telling you no, 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 no. And you finally were like, I bet if I did the dishes every night and kept my room clean for 2 weeks and then asked them, maybe they would buy me the toy. And so you did it, and they were like, you know what? You have been so helpful lately. Yes, we will get you that toy. So maybe you were extremely clever in that. Or maybe you were clever and you figured out a really hard math problem. Or you figured out how to tie your shoes on your own. I don't know, but there's lots of things you can do to be clever, be smart and able to figure things out on your own. Okay, so write about a time where you were clever, page 16. You don't always have to be tricky to be clever, if that makes sense. So circle and sort. Page 17. You guys have done this before. This time we're doing STR, S-T-R, STR, words like straw, struck, street, things like that. STR, and then DR. Okay? So read the sentence, circle the words, and sort them. It's page 17, circle and sort. And our final job, color by blend. You have done this. The br, is going to be red, fr, blue, tr, is green, cr, purple. Okay? So you're going to go ahead, figure out the word, like this is trash. So what color? Well, I'm going to find the tr and look, and it says green. So this is going to be colored green. Okay, this is a braid, br, red. So I'm going to go ahead and color that red. All right, that is all of your reading work for today. Yay, you're all done for Friday. All right, I'll see you guys at Junie B.